Keeping fit and staying connected with your home fitness progress has never been easier with the SFT7705 Treadmill with Auto Incline. The hydraulic soft drop system makes unfolding easy and safe. Seamless interaction with the Sunny Health and Fitness app for iPhone and Android. Simply connect your device to the treadmill and go. Real-time results and tracking are displayed and stored during and after your workout. Multi-display digital console shows and tracks all of your workout progress. Nine built-in workouts, preset buttons to quickly change your speed and incline, integrated device holder to securely place your phone or tablet. Treadmill deck provides ample space to run fast or go slow. Shock absorption technology makes walking or running softer on the joints. Enhanced handrails have integrated speed and incline control buttons with pulse sensors to estimate your current heart rate. Powerful motor can get the job done by reaching a top speed of 9 miles per hour. Stay hydrated and cool with 2 oversized bottle holders. Once you're done with your workout, see your training results by viewing your workout history. If you are done, this foldable treadmill can be folded and moved with the integrated transportation wheels. Start connecting and tracking your fitness to reach your goals today. The SFT7705 Treadmill with Auto Incline will help get you there.
Get the convenience of an in-home workout and accomplish your fitness goals with the Cadence G5.9i treadmill from Westlow. The robust 2.25 horsepower motor is powerful enough for thousands of miles of speed or endurance training. Take your run anywhere on Earth with iFit technology. Use your tablet to pick a course. You can pick workouts designed by certified personal trainers, and all of your stats are tracked automatically. Ready to burn more calories? Use the 2-position adjustable incline. And the large 16 by 50 inch deck can handle any runner's stride. But it also provides comfort cell cushioning so it reduces impact on your joints. With quick speed controls, take your run up to 10 miles per hour and choose from 6 different workout apps to mix up your routine. And stay in your target heart rate zone with the quick thumb pulse sensors. And when you're done, simply fold your treadmill with the innovative Space Saver design. And get a 1-year motor warranty and 90-day parts and labor warranty with your purchase. Take control of your fitness with the Westlow Cadence G5.9i treadmill from Westlow.
The workout solution is here. No space or save space with the space-saving folding treadmill. This walking or running treadmill can virtually fit in any room or office. The space-saving design carries a small footprint. Simply unfold and hit start to get your workout going. This treadmill is designed with the motor mounted below to create more running space. The powerful motor has a maximum speed of 7 miles per hour. Walk for those lighter workout days, or up your tempo by running. See all your gains and losses on the multi-display backlit console. Simple-to-use buttons to quickly start and stop. An auto-pause feature so you won't lose your workout progress. This treadmill has built-in transportation wheels for portability and folds easily for storage. Whatever your fitness goals, this space-saving treadmill will get you there. Start your fitness journey today. Walking is one of the best forms of exercise on the entire body. Achieve an excellent cardio workout with the SFT1407M manual treadmill. The fixed incline helps you build a controlled momentum to increase calorie burn while providing a low-impact form of exercise. This compact walking treadmill is built with a sturdy frame that requires no plugs or outlets. The smooth, quiet running belt provides enough space and safety for a longer cardio session. The non-slip stability handlebars are here to support you during walks, jogs, or runs. After your workout, use the convenient performance monitor to track your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. After a workout, step off onto the textured side rails. When finished, fold up your treadmill and use the convenient transportation wheels to easily store your compact treadmill anywhere. Health and fitness is a journey, so start yours with Sunny Health and Fitness.